Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I want to show you how to make another Among Us surprise fold. And this time, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Homer Simpson Among Us surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us Homer Simpson surprise fold, we're going to take our paper and fold it in half like this. This way you have something kind of like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold this flap right down here and just fold across here. Now you can open it this way or you can open it this way, your choice. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face shield. So I'm going to start right here and I just want to draw a line that's going to curve around to here. Next, we're going to draw a line that just comes down like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and come down. And starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and it's going to come straight down like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and up for a leg. Make a little line across. Draw a line that goes down, over, and connects to here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over. I'm going to come down and back to here for the pack. Now, right now we have our basic Among Us character. Now we want to turn it into a Homer Simpson one. So to do this, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll draw a little V shape right here. Then I'm going to draw this line right to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And it's going to come back here. And we'll do the same thing here. Come down and bring it back to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves across. And I'm going to draw two little lines right across here at the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down for like an M. And right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down, and one more here that curves up and down for the hair. So here's our basic shape of our little Homer Simpson Among Us character. Now we want to open it up. Now, once you open it up, we have our two halves of our Among Us Homer Simpson. The first thing we want to do is connect these two lines here. So I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to draw it right down to here. And I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it down to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And right here, we're going to make a line that comes down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and it's going to come all the way to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes out, and I'll draw a little line that curves out like this. And I'll make a little line that curves out like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and connect to here. Then starting here, I'm going to add a couple teeth on here. And I'll put a couple teeth over here. Now, starting right here, I want to make a donut. So to do that, I'm just going to make a little curved line right here. Then we're going to make a bigger curved line right over here. We're going to make some wavy lines right across here, with a little curved line right here. Then we'll add a little curved line here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. It's going to come down and then around for the tongue, with a little line down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and I'm going to bring it up to here for the other side of the mouth. And there you go, there is your drawing of your Homer Simpson surprise fold. So when we have it closed up, we have our little Homer Simpson Among Us character, and then when we open it up, we have our big open mouth of the imposter going for a donut. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.